Hello my dears, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I show you how to make a homemade mask recipe for wrinkles on the face and neck. To prepare today's anti-wrinkle mask, we need a banana. Banana is one of the most beneficial fruits for the face and is used as a natural anti-aging agent. Scientifically, the benefits of bananas for the skin are as follows. Rich in antioxidants, bananas contain vitamin C and polyphenols, which help neutralize free radicals. This slows down the rapid aging of the skin. Vitamin A, retinol-like effect, stimulates cell renewal, softens dry skin, and reduces fine lines. Vitamin E moisturizes the skin, supports collagen production, and is effective against wrinkles. Minerals, potassium, zinc, magnesium. Potassium moisturizes the skin from the inside, while zinc reduces inflammation and increases skin elasticity. Natural exfoliant, the enzymes in bananas gently exfoliate dead cells and accelerate the skin renewal process. Therefore, banana-based masks moisturize the skin, restore elasticity, and help prevent wrinkles. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It's very interesting to know. For this anti-wrinkle mask, we also need eggs. Egg whites tighten the skin more and reduce wrinkles, while egg yolks nourish and deeply moisturize it. Egg whites and yolks have different, but complementary, benefits for the skin. That is why they are often used in anti-wrinkle masks. Egg white tightening affect proteins in the white tighten the skin, giving a temporary, lifting effect and reducing fine wrinkles. Reduces sebum, absorbs excess oil in oily skin, and narrows pores. Stimulates collagen production. Proteins strengthen skin elasticity. Whitening effect slightly brightens the skin and evens out its color. Egg yolk rich in vitamins A, D, E accelerates cell renewal, softens dry skin. Healthy fatty acids deeply moisturize the skin, increase its elasticity. Lutein, a powerful antioxidant, protects against UV radiation and slows down aging. Ideal for dry skin, softens wrinkles and makes the skin smooth, while egg white tightens the skin more and reduces wrinkles. Egg yolk nourishes it and deeply moisturizes it. Therefore, when used together, the anti-aging mask is even more effective. Toothpaste. You can use any toothpaste with mint and baking soda. It contains mint and baking soda. Toothpaste has a lot of benefits for the skin, one of which is smoothing the skin and getting rid of dark spots. Now we need to mix well. Tighten your skin with this tool. Apply the mask to cleansed facial skin. Apply to your face and leave for 5 minutes. Apply the mask to cleansed face and
Apply
massage.
to your face.
Take the
and
time
leave
to
for 3
massage it
minutes.
thoroughly to smooth out wrinkles and dark spots. Because the mask needs to penetrate deep into the skin to brighten and tighten the skin. After you finish massaging, leave it on for 5 minutes and then wash it off. Use plain cold water to wash it off. Do not use warm or hot water. Apply this to your neck as well. If you have acne on your face, this is for you. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It's very interesting to know. If you liked the video, click like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.